So now we are going to learn how to add or subtract decimal numbers. In order to add or subtract decimal numbers, we write the numbers in such a way that the decimal point is exactly one below the other. So let us understand this with the help of an example. So how are we going to add 57.2 and 68.7? So we're going to write 57.2 plus, and we need to write this decimal point one below the other, and therefore we can write 68 over here and 0.7 over there, and simply add them as we add the natural numbers. So 2 plus 7 is 9, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So the answer to this is 125.9. Now let us do another example. How shall we add 113.2 and 48.775? So 113.2, and we shall write the decimal point one below the other, and we can write this 48 like this, and 775 in this way, 775. Don't make the mistake of writing 113.2. This is a common mistake that most of the students do. Plus 48.775. So they write 5 below the 2, and then 7, and then 7, and then they put this decimal point, and then they put the 8. So this is entirely wrong. Remember, the decimal point should come one below the other. So let us see how are we going to add this. You can place two more zeros so that we have the same number of decimal places after the decimal point. So we are going to convert this 113.2 as 200, and then we are going to add 48.775. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7, 2 plus 7 is 9, point, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, and 1. So the answer to this is 161.975. Now let us do another one. Subtracting this time 68 and 59.96. Now if you look carefully, there is no decimal point in 68. So whenever there is no decimal point in any number, it is always located towards the end of the number. So we can understand this number to be as 68 point. So this is that point. Minus 59.96. And in order to have the same number of decimal places in both the numbers, we place two zeros after 68. So we can consider 68 to be like 68.00. Or if you think in this way, $68 can be represented as $68.00. So it is in the same way. So let us now subtract 68.00 and 59.96. So 0 minus 6 is not possible. So it will borrow from this 0, but this 0 will borrow from 8. This will become 7, this will become 9, and this shall become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 7 minus 9 again not possible, this becomes 5, this becomes 17, and 17 minus 9 is 8. So the answer to this is 8.04. So it is like if you want to subtract $68 and $59.96, the answer to this will be $8.04. Now, another example, 100.7 minus 83.75. So again, 100.7 minus, we should put the decimal point one below the other, 83.75. So just place one more zero in order to have the same number of decimal places, and then subtract as usual. So this shall become 10, borrowing it from 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 7 again not possible. So these two numbers will become 9 and 9. This shall become 0. This shall become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Decimal point as it is. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer to this is 16.95. The most important lesson in this particular lecture was that the decimal point should be placed one below the other. Otherwise, you're going to get a wrong answer. Practice such sums. Thank you.